to show you how to set the clock here on your Polaris General. It's the General 1000 DOHC. It's really simple to do, but I need a little help to read the manual to figure this out. So if you don't have your manual, here goes what you do. It's really simple. Okay, first what you want to do is just come over here. You don't have to start it up, just turn it to the on position. Once you turn it to the on position, just hit this mode button and hold it for about 2-3 seconds until it starts blinking. And then you can go up or down with your options and you find clock. And then you hit this mode button once. You can go the hours, 12 hours, 24 hours. And you see it's got 2. You can go either up or down. Hit the mode again for your minutes. Hit it again and you can just move it up or down. That's all you have to do. Once you're done, just hit it. You see it stop blinking, it'll go back to the display, but you can just click this up or down until you get to exit and hit mode. And that's it. That's how you set the time. I hope this video helped. Subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.